Every vehicle on the road contributes to your business growth. Better uptime, reliable performance, efficient operations, and lower maintenance costs drive stronger profitability. Now, there's a smarter way forward. Introducing the Vehicle and Component Reconditioning Center, a certified refurbishment ecosystem where used trucks and critical aggregates are restored using advanced technology, Tata Genuine Parts, and stringent quality checks backed by warranty.
Hi, this is Sandeep. We at Sisoti Automobiles are creating a structured and trusted refurbishment ecosystem for commercial vehicles. Every axle, tire, aggregate goes through a verified check process where we use Tata Genuine Parts and Prolife Parts, which enhances the vehicle capability and helps us in reducing the TCO. So even if you buy a vehicle from any friend, relative or any broker, you can still get your vehicle refurbished. Our goal is very simple. We are going to create a trusted platform for used commercial vehicle. For buyer, we are going to support in documentation, in finance and getting the certified vehicle of Tata OK. For seller, he can get the best value of the vehicle across the nation.
Lower maintenance costs, higher uptime, better fuel efficiency, longer component life.
Once your vehicle is refurbished, it can be uploaded to Thinkiverse, giving customers access to pan-India inventory of certified vehicles. Buyers can compare and choose the vehicles as per their requirement, as per their operational needs, while sellers get access to the pan-India customers and get the best value out of it. Similarly, with our Park and Sell model, the seller retains the ownership of the vehicle while we digitally market it across our digital platform. This helps the seller to avoid the distress selling.
Prolife Component Reconditioning delivers 40 to 60% cost advantage with life at par with new and pan-India warranty support. More uptime means more trips. More trips mean more income. Refurbishment is not a cost. It is a smart financial investment. Recondition today.
When we created Azura, we didn't think only about better payloads, better efficiency or better savings. We thought about the driver and the confidence that their truck will keep them safe. Because India's logistics routes are demanding, unpredictable and unforgiving. That's why Azura isn't just built to maximize profits, it's designed to protect life inside the cabin. Azura goes beyond the norms to achieve the gold standard of truck cabin safety by meeting ECER 29.03 European safety norms. But we didn't just stop there. We tested Azura to replicate the real-world crash scenario. What happens when two speeding trucks collide head-on? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Truck versus truck. Reality versus reality. Because real safety is only tested and delivered at the moment of impact. With Azura, we set a new standard for truck cabin safety. Tata Azura.
दुनिया के बड़े से बड़े बिजनेसेस की नजर है भारत पर। सबको पता है बिजनेस की ग्रोथ का रास्ता गुजरता है भारत होकर। गोल्स ग्लोबल है, चैलेंजेस भी ग्लोबल होंगे। क्या हम तैयार हैं? बड़े बिजनेसेस की बड़ी डिमांड्स होंगी। अपटाइम हमेशा अप रखना होगा। गोल्स टफ है, डिलीवरी टाइमिंग्स टफ होगी। सेफ्टी के साथ कोई समझौता नहीं होगा। लॉजिस्टिक्स बिजनेस की डिमांड्स पूरी करने के लिए आ गया टाटा अज़ूरा। Bold confident design, spacious and comfortable cabin, best in class safety, proven reliable aggregates, high fuel efficiency, engineered for higher profits. टाटा अज़ूरा, भरोसा तरक्की का।